Hi, everyone. I'm Dr. Carolyn Mabry. I'm a psychologist at the University of Maine, Farmington, where I teach in the psychology department, and I'm currently working on a large scale study of cat human personality and attachment, along with my colleague Bryce Kundick. We recently received a query about cats and kittens. Namely, are there differences in litter sizes between cat colors or cat breeds? And here's what we learned from our colleagues in veterinary medicine. First, the origin of the word. A litter is so named because they typically occur in a cat bed or nest made by the mother. Litters are also called kindles. And here are some fun facts about kitten litters. First of all, a female cat's litter may include kittens from more than one father. This phenomenon is called superfecundation. In biological terms, it involves the fertilization of two or more ova, which are released throughout the same menstrual cycle, with sperm from two or more different males during separate acts of conception. If you've ever seen a litter with two or more surprisingly different kittens, superfecundation may have been afoot. There's no way to know for sure other than controlled breeding environments or genetic testing, but if you see a litter that looks like this, you may be witness to superfecundation. Outdoor cats are more likely to produce a litter with more than one father, since an indoor cat would A, have to be unspayed, and B, have had encounters with two different intact tomcats. Yet one more reason to spay and neuter our cats, as well as support TNR, trap, neuter, and release programs in our communities. More speculatively, I've wondered if some mother cats' stoic and kindly acceptance of other species when they're nursing may be an offshoot of the species' inclination toward superfecundation. Check out these images of a Russian cat who adopted and fed several motherless hedgehogs along with her own single kitten until they were strong enough to fend for themselves. If you're a veterinarian or work in cat biological research, please let us know in the comments if there's scientific basis to this guess. The average size Kindle is 4 to 6 kittens, but single births are not uncommon, especially among some breeds, and if the cat is younger. An unspayed female cat can have 1 to 8 kittens per litter and 2 to 3 litters per year. She can reproduce well into her old age, so the average unspayed cat can produce more than 100 kittens across her reproductive cycle. When we multiply that across all the cats that she produces, we can understand the urgency of spaying and neutering cats as early as possible, along with the importance of keeping intact cats indoors. Next question, does a cat's color or breed indicate how big of a Kindle she'll have? Siamese cats on average have the largest litter. The largest litter ever produced and recorded was by a Burmese Siamese mixed cat in 1970. She had 19 kittens, but larger litters also are plagued by more kittens that do not survive the birth. More than a cat's breed, a cat's age, slightly older, nutrition status, better, and whether the cat's breed is prone to incidents of disease such as Manx or Scottish fold all predict litter sizes. So poor nutritional status, younger age, and incidence of disease are the predictors of smaller litters. A young cat will typically produce fewer cats than a cat that is slightly older. When should a female cat be spayed or fixed so she cannot reproduce? The American Association of Feline Practitioners recommends female cats should be spayed by 5 months of age, given that they can become pregnant as young as 4 to 5 months. So it no longer is recommended by most veterinarians that they go through one heat or cycle before being spayed. So thanks for your good questions from the Maine Cat Lab. If we don't know the answer, we'll try to find the specialists who do know the answer. Please let us know your comments, follow-up questions in the comments section, any other thoughts that you have, and we hope you have a great week.